Hello everyone friends, this is Balor. Today I'll show how to download and install DaVinci Resolve for free. For this, open any browser and type this in. DaVinci Resolve, yes. Go to the website, where we'll find the official site, the official website. Here's the official website. We have two versions here. Studio version costs $300, or there's a free version with simpler features. Click on it, and here we'll have a choice again. Paid version for $300 or free. Click here for free, Windows X. Enter your details here and click register and download. The download will then begin. Open the file and install it. This is Balor. Goodbye everyone.